All right, let the sheath making begin. And here's the machete right there. That is a big hunk of leather. All right, I'm gonna let the water soak in for just about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna start doing a little bit of tooling. I think it's called stamping. Tooling is where you actually carve designs. I've called it tooling, and when I say tooling, I mean stamping. There's my stamps. I don't think I have a steady enough hand to ever actually tool, although I have some tooling knives and some shaders for tooling. I've just never tried it, and my hands just shake too much, so I don't think I ever will. Alrighty, 5 more minutes. I'm gonna stamp this out and dye it and glue it and get to sewing. Alrighty, and now we're all going to dye. Black. We're all gonna dye black. All right, we have officially dyed. Now, I'm gonna fold this over, do a little sewing, and then punch all my holes. And I don't know if I got enough pins or not. The way I do it now is I punch my holes all the way around, and then I glue it. And the way I get the holes to line up is I stick pins in all the way around. And that way, when I sew in the front, it will come out the back right in a line where it's supposed to. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it because it looks more professional. So anyway, let me get to sewing. I'm gonna get this sewed up and then start punching my holes. All right, I got this pressed together. I'm going to give it just a few more minutes for the contact cement, the rubber cement, to adhere. And then I'm gonna start sewing. We're almost there, about halfway there. I still gotta dress edges and, burnish. There's a lot of work. And this is how I sew it. I pull one pin out at a time. And then I sew. It's tedious and time consuming, but it's worth it to have it look professional. All right, all the pins are out. I've sewed up to the top. Now I sew back down to the bottom, tie it up back here, and cut the excess off here. And then I start burnishing that edge, and this will be done. So, I've had to pull her out twice. Let's see, once right there, and then another time right there. So I'm trying to get that sheath done, and she's called me twice. So I'm gonna sit here until she's done mowing over there. Then I'm gonna go back to working on that. I was gonna do this, but this way, if she's doing it, I can just run down there with the gator and pull her out. We're gonna get this mowed. Okay. Now I got to put an edge on this, but I'm going to do that in the morning. I'm going to let this sit in the sheath. I'm going to mold this handle with my fingers for just a little bit, and then I'm going to let the sheath dry in my house. I'm going to put the edge on it in the morning and ship it Monday. Yeah, and try to wash this dye off my hands. Alrighty. Well, if I don't have anything else to show you, this would be it. But this is like 11 o'clock. I still got a half a day left to do stuff. Okay, I wrote another poem. Read it to you, I will. And just know that I have fun doing this, and I don't have any misconceptions that I'm some sort of expert poet. I just like to make words rhyme and write a little story. And it's fun, and that's all it is to me. So here it goes. Geese that take flight at first morning light, honking till they're long out of sight. Coffee at dawn brings sunrise on, the satisfying smell of a freshly cut lawn. Shade on my porch, away from sun's scorch, hummingbirds out in full force. Blue jay wings flapping, ducks curled up and napping. The wind blows, my flag, and it sounds like it's clapping. Joyous and grateful, reverent and faithful. Anything less for me is distasteful. Big buck in the field with a rifle to yield. Now in the freezer and vacuum sealed. Sun on my skin where winter has been. No SPF to my doctor's chagrin. Boots that fit good, because quite often I've stood for soldiers and brotherhood. All of these things to my happiness clings. In the meantime, I sit here and wait for my king. That's it. I've made a sheath, mowed Bev's lawn, her pond outside the gate. My wife broke a belt on the lawnmower, and I dug through a bunch of junk I had down in the garage, and sure enough, I had it takes a 114 belt, but I had a 116-inch belt, and it's working. So I'll just order a 114-inch belt. That way we can keep mowing. So we're gonna have everything mowed before the rain gets here, which is good. So I do have one more thing. I'm gonna go do that right now. That'll be the last thing I do today. I'll see you down at the garage. 1980 called. It would like its little baggy back. I have no idea what that would be used for back in, say, 81, 82, 83, and 84. Okay, here's what I got. Chrome! Chrome. I have chrome. That's where they go. I gotta pull these little, actually, I think I gotta drill and tap. I'm probably gonna have to get in the floor to figure this out. Be right back. I'm gonna get my air gun and blow this metal filings off of there. Come on, Brad. Hands are shaking. Sorry, you was looking at nothing there. Isn't that shiny? Shiny? It's good. All right, let me do the other side. All right, side two. It's Chinese, so, you know, I don't expect much. And if the chrome comes off, well, guess what color I'll paint them. Okay, that's it for me. Long day. Not a long day, but a busy day. Got a lot done. Tomorrow, first thing in the morning, I'm going to sharpen that machete. And then sometime tomorrow, David and I are going to take my roto hammer and try his driveway. When they put the driveway in, they left the curb, the road curb there. Not David, the people before him. Whoever put the house there. So we're going to see if we can chop that curb up and make it a smooth entrance to his driveway tomorrow. So that'll be an interesting thing. Okay, y'all, have a good Saturday. And I've had a good day. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of my channel. We'll see you.